Hey guys, this is an unboxing and hands-on of Vivo X21. After launching the Vivo X20 Plus and announcing the Vivo X smartphone, the Chinese smartphone manufacturer has today launched its new flagship smartphone, Vivo X21. The company has also announced another variant of the phone named Vivo X21 Screen Fingerprint. The Vivo V21 comes with the traditional fingerprint sensor at the back of the phone. The Vivo X21 features a 6.28-inch Full HD Plus display with 2280 by 1080 pixel screen resolution and an unusual aspect ratio of 19:9 because of the presence of a notch on the top side. The display covers majority portion on the front panel and has ultra-narrow bezels around the display. Under the hood, the device is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 processor, clocked at 2.2 GHz. It packs 6 GB RAM, and comes in two storage options, 64 GB and 128 GB. The phone also supports micro SD card slot, which enables users to further expand the phone's storage capacity up to 256 GB. As of the camera department, the phone comes with the dual camera setup at the back, which consists of two 12-megapixel camera lenses, with an LED flash, and a 5MP sub-camera. On the front side also, there is a dual camera setup, with two 12-megapixel lenses. The camera comes with artificial intelligence and Vivo's own Rubik's Cube technology. The phone also supports Face Unlock feature. One of the interesting offerings of the phone is a smart assistant. The company has introduced Jovi, which is Vivo Assistant, based on artificial intelligence technology. For enhanced audio experience, Vivo has included Hi-Fi chip. Connectivity options on the device include 4G LTE, Bluetooth V5.0, GPS, and micro USB. The phone runs on Android 8.1 operating system, with company-owned FunTouchOS 4.0 custom skin on top. Both versions of the phone are fueled by a 3200 mAh battery. The Vivo X21 will be available in three colors: Aurora White, Drill Black, and Ruby Red. However, the Vivo X21 Screen Fingerprint version will be offered in only two colors, Drill Black and Ruby Red. It will be available from March 24th. As for the price, the 6 GB RAM and 64 GB storage model of the Vivo X21 is priced at 2,898 yuan, while the 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage variant cost 3,198 yuan. For more video like this, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next week.